Okay, girls, this is the video for 10E congruent triangles. In maths, it's often a little bit different in that we try to prove that something is so. Okay? So that's an odd thing in our world, I think, today. We don't need much proof to believe something. So in mathematics, when I started studying mathematics at university, my teacher said to me, your job as a mathematician is going to be to try to disprove things people say. Okay? So we're constantly looking for exact proof that something is true. Not writing on a piece of paper and flipping it upside down and going, oh, that's it. Okay, it's not like that. So to prove that triangles, just triangles, are congruent, and what does congruent mean again? Exactly the same shape, okay? There's 4 different ways I can do that. I can prove that all corresponding sides are equal. The sides that match up are equal to each other. Not all the sides are equal. It's not just equilateral triangles, but corresponding sides are equal. Okay, that's one way. If I can show that all the sides are equal, then I can prove that this is these are congruent triangles. All right. Another way to prove it is that if I have 2 sides that are corresponding are equal, and the angle that is in between them. So side angle, SAS, side angle side means these corresponding sides are equal. Another side equal, and the angle between them is equal. Okay? It can't be this angle out here. It's got to be the angle between them. If I have that, then I can say without a doubt that these triangles are congruent. Okay, on we get. There's another triangle proof for congruence that says AAS. What do you think that is? Angle, side. Okay, so let's look at how it works. It goes an angle, and then an angle, and then the side next to that. An angle, and a side next to it. So 2 corresponding angles the same, and the side that's next to the one of the angles and across from the other one. Angle, side. It doesn't say ASS, does it? Right, so that's good. We wouldn't want that in math because it would be a dirty word. So we can't have it. I'll draw you one in a minute that's ASS. And the 2 aren't the same. I could draw 2 that aren't the same like that. Okay, and the last one says RHS. What does that mean? Right. See the right? Right angle. And this is the H. What does it stand for? What is it called? In a right angled triangle, what is that side called? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And then another side. Okay, we got to know that word. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay? It's the side that's the slanty one across from the right angle in a right angled triangle. Right hypotenuse. So we'll put side, side, and by that we mean equal sides, all corresponding sides equal, yeah? And then these, we mean that there are two angles that are the same size, and one side same size, but it's the side off, you know, as I go around the triangle, it's angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, okay? This is an easy one sometimes to get. And right hypotenuse side, the hypotenuse, remember, is this guy right here, this, right? That side, the slanty side in a right triangle. The right angle is a right angle. And then one more side, same. Oops, I shouldn't put slanty, should I? One more side, the same. Okay. All right, so let's go down here and talk about how we're gonna do that. Okay, here we go. It says if triangle ABC is, you ready? If triangle ABC is congruent to DEF, then we write it like that. We know that already. It's called a congruence statement. A unique triangle is one where any triangle matching the descriptions are congruent to each other. We'll talk about that one second.